A highway road worker is being treated for critical injuries he received late last night after he was hit by a car on I-96 in Portland late Tuesday night.
Although the investigation continues in this case, road workers face danger working on those highways.
Barton Dieters went to Portland to get the information. Barton.
The crash that happened here late last night on eastbound 96 is one of dozens that happens over the course of the year. The aftermath of the crash on I-96 east of Portland's exit 76 has left a road worker with life-threatening injuries after he was airlifted to Sparrow Hospital in Lansing. The crash happened just before 11 p.m. as a passenger car crashed into a road cutting machine being driven by a man near traffic. The names of the driver and injured man have not been released as Portland and Michigan State Police continue to investigate. Still undetermined is who was at fault. But crashes involving road workers in highway construction zones are all too common, according to statistics from the Michigan Department of Transportation, which says Michigan ranks 7th in the nation for highway work zone fatalities.
My best advice would be just to treat them as you have been accustomed to treating the law enforcement with the flashing lights. Flashing lights or construction workers are entitled for people to slow down and to move over.
The Office of Highway Planning and Safety reports that in 2018, Michigan had nearly 5,000 work zone crashes with nearly 2,000 injuries and 15 fatalities.
So it's important for drivers to remain alert, to keep their eyes off of their phone on the road, and just to be aware of potential dangers that they could be approaching.
In last night's crash, we don't know what caused it, but MDOT reports that most work zone crashes are caused by inattentive or distracted drivers and speeding. Interestingly, more crashes happen during the day than during night road work.
Both hands on the wheel, eyes straight ahead, reduce your distractions in regards to children in the car, your cell phone on your dash, watching your GPS, and just keep your eyes on the road.
We're working to learn more about what happened here, and we'll keep you up to date here and online at woodtv.com. In Portland, Barton Dieters, News 8.